What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. Remember, her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word, desiring to lower her standard. They watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teachings, but really they find no mistake. She is spreading her wings for a journey. She is going to leave by and by, when the trumpet shall sound in the morning. She'll rise and go up in the sky. I am glad I have learned of her meekness. I am proud that my name is on her book, for I want to be one, never fearing, on the face of my Savior to look, when He cometh descending from heaven on a cloud, like He writes in His word. I'll be joyfully carried to meet Him on the wings of that great speckled bird.